Let's learn the letter J. J says J, J, J. J is for Jenny. J, J, Jenny. J is for a jaguar that jumps. J, jaguar. J is for jungle. J, J, jungle. J is for a jiggly jellyfish. J, jellyfish. Let's join the pieces of our jigsaw. J, jigsaw. You learned J says J, J, J. J. J is for jellyfish. J, J, jellyfish. Say it with me. Jellyfish. J, jellyfish. Let's learn the letter K. K says K, K, K. K is for kangaroo that keeps hopping. K, kangaroo. K is for kite. K, kite. K is for kitten. K, K, kitten. Our K sound is in the middle of this word. Rocket. Rocket. Here it's at the end of our word. Truck. Truck. Say this word with me. Sky. Sky. Well done. You learned that K says K, K, K. K. K is for kite. K, K, kite. Say it with me. Kite. K, kite. What colours are on our kite? Green and blue. Our kite is green and blue. Let's learn the letter L. L says ul, ul, ul. L is for lazy lions that lounge in the land. L is for lemon. Say it with me. Lemon. Lemon. L is for light. Light. L is for love. Love. Our L is in the middle of this word. Olive. Olive. And here it's at the end of our word. Bell. Bell. Ball. Ball. Great, you learned that L says ul. L. L is for lemon. Lemon. Say it with me. Lemon. Lemon. What color is a lemon? Lemons are yellow.